and welcome back. Today I'm excited to share with you a pasta recipe because who doesn't like pasta? Everybody does, but for some reason pasta has a bad rap. I mean, we know what the reasons are. Usually it's the heavy sauce, and pasta itself, it's full of calories and that's not much volume. So in this video I'll share with you what I came up recently. It's a pasta dish, but not like any other. It has lots of flavor, it's delicious, full of volume, and below 500 calories. And it also, we're gonna include some protein on the side. So it's full, round, great recipe, and a dinner that you can enjoy pretty much every single day. Let's grab the ingredients. Now, pasta choice. I have here banza pasta. I chose it because it is just pasta as far as the taste goes. It is slightly lower in calories at 190 calories per serving, and serving size is 2 ounces. But also, it is the highest in protein that I've seen at whopping 12 grams per serving. 2 cups of spinach. It will add some volume and nutrients. Add more or less, and if you don't like it, skip it. Garlic. I love spicy garlic taste, so I will use 4 to 5 cloves, but you do you and decide how much you can handle. Red pepper flakes. They add so much flavor, but they are spicy. Use with caution. I will add about a half a teaspoon. Lemon. I will zest it and juice half of it at the end of the dish. And 2 slices of bacon. You can also use 1 slice if you like. And the one that I'm using is Kirkland brand, low sodium, 60 calories per slice. 2 zucchinis. They weigh about 300 grams, 12 to 13 ounces. You can add more if you prefer more volume. And butter. Butter for creaminess and flavor, 1 tablespoon, or if you want more volume, 1 ounce of heavy whipping cream. And I think that's what I'm gonna go with. Set pot full of water for the noodles. And in the meantime, chopped bacon, garlic. We want to make sure we have all the ingredients ready because the process is very quick at the end. Zest the lemon and prepared zucchini. I have here a Cuisinart food processor with noodle attachment. This attachment makes spiral noodles. If you do not have any appliance to help you with the noodle making process, you can use this high-tech tool, vegetable peeler. It works very well for creating these beautiful ribbons. It will take a few minutes longer, but if you add all the setting up the food processor and cleaning it afterwards, it's probably a wash. Weigh your noodles and look. This is 6 ounces of noodles versus 12 ounces of zucchini. This amount of zucchini has barely 60 calories, and this 6 ounces of noodles, 570 calories. Huge difference. We have all the ingredients ready. Water is boiling. Salt it very generously and cook according to cooking instructions on the box, which is 8 to 10 minutes. A little disclaimer here. I like my noodles very al dente, a bit chewy that is, so I reduced cooking time of these banza noodles to just 5 minutes. Now heat up a pan and add bacon. Render the fat, and when bacon is done, add pepper flakes, garlic, and saute for just a brief minute. Well, noodles are already done pretty much, and before you drain them, reserve half a cup to a cup of water. Add noodles to the pan with zucchini. Salt and pepper. Make sure that the zucchini is seasoned well as well. And toss it all together. Cook it for a short minute. Add a bit of that water that we reserved so the noodles are not dry. Add spinach and the 1 ounce of cream, a little bit of lemon juice at this time as well. and cook it for just a brief minute until the sauce thickens. Right now, turn off the heat and just add lemon zest, and it's pretty much done. Serve it with your favorite type of protein like fish, salmon, chicken, steak, pork, whatever you like. And check this out, how huge a portion size this is. And that's the key, big size, under 300 calories. With 4 ounces of salmon, this dish has less than 500 calories. Salmon is very calorie dense, so chicken breast is even less calories than 500 for a meal like this. I made it with spaghetti once, like this one, and also I made it with linguine, so any type of banza pasta will do. Simple, quick, delicious. You can add it to your dinner and still be in your calorie budget. Life is too short not to enjoy your favorite foods. But with these little changes, you can do so and still keep the weight off. If you made it so far, click like, comment, and I will see you on the next one.